This is question 1 from week 24 of our Studies Weekly Presidents. So question 1 says President Lincoln was a blank before he became a president. So was he a farmer for the triangle in red, or was he a general for the diamond in blue, or was President Lincoln a lawyer before he became president for the circle in yellow? President Barack Obama is the first blank president. Was he the first African American president for the triangle in red? Was he the first Hispanic American president for the diamond in blue? Or was he the first woman president for the circle in yellow? A person can only be president for a total of blank years. Is that 3 years for the triangle in red? Is that 4 years for the diamond in blue? Or is that 8 years for the circle in yellow? This is one term. How many years is one presidential term? George Washington was our blank president. Was he our first president for the triangle in red? Was he the second president for the diamond in blue? Or was he the 10th president for the circle in yellow? Why was George Washington only president for 8 years? Was he only president for 8 years because people didn't like him for the triangle in red? Or was he only president for 8 years because presidents can only serve 2 4-year terms, so 4 plus 4 equals 8, or he actually served for 16 years for the circle in yellow? George Washington helped set the blank for the president. So did he set the expectations for the triangle in red, or did he set the clothes for the diamond in blue, or did he set the health care for the president for the circle in yellow? Presidents must be at least how many years old? So blank years old. Do presidents have to be 19 years old for the triangle in red, or do they have to be 28 years old for the diamond in blue, or presidents must be at least 35 years old for the circle in yellow? President Lincoln wanted all the states to be blank nation. So President Lincoln wanted all the states to be one nation for the triangle in red, or President Lincoln wanted all the states to be several nations for the diamond in blue, or President Lincoln wanted all the states to be no nation for the circle in yellow. 2 more. You're doing awesome. So this question is, what is one way we honor Abraham Lincoln? So the triangle in red says we don't honor him. The diamond in blue says we celebrate President's Day to honor Abraham Lincoln, or we honor Abraham Lincoln by celebrating Veterans Day for the circle in yellow. Very last question. So a president must be a blank citizen. So a president must be an American citizen for the triangle in red, or a president must be a Canadian citizen for the diamond in blue, or a president must be an African American citizen to be president. So which one's the right one? Once you're done with this, say, I did a good job.